This is a message for all the haters. My face, my decision. Hello, Xeomin. And see you later, frown lines.
Xeomin is the only clinically proven anti-wrinkle injection uniquely purified to remove unnecessary proteins. Xeomin incabotulinum toxin A is an FDA-approved treatment used to temporarily improve the look of moderate to severe frown lines between the eyebrows. Effects of Xeomin may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor as difficulty swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or muscle weakness can be signs of life-threatening conditions. Don't take Xeomin if you're allergic to Xeomin or other botulinum toxins or have a skin infection. Side effects may include allergic reactions, headache, injection site pain, eyelid drooping, and swelling. Tell your doctor about your medical history, muscle and nerve conditions, and all medicines, especially botulinum toxins, muscle relaxants, and blood thinners, as these may increase the risk of serious side effects. Doses of Xeomin are not the same as other botulinum toxins.
Adios. Bye. Later, haters.
Check out XeominAesthetic.com to find a doctor who can tell you all about Xeomin.